Hello learners, welcome to our channel. Here we will set up a AI development environment which consists of all the AI frameworks which are required for understanding and developing machine learning models within just one package. As data scientists, we frequently deal with many challenges during the model development and training, such as one is managing different libraries. We have many libraries, sklearn, PyTorch, CUDA-DNN, TensorFlow, Keras, etc. So there are enormous number of libraries and frameworks which we need to install independent on our development environment. And we need to manage various experiments because when we change our hyperparameters during some run, then we sometimes get confused in which version of the code we have done that. And that is quite cumbersome, and sometimes we test the accuracy and we just check that it was higher 3 runs ago, but we changed some hyperparameter and now we just forgot which experiment has in which run we have done changes with the hyperparameter tuning and configurations. So recently this problem has gotten significant awareness in the community, and there we have a solution which is called DATMO. DATMO keeps track of all the hustles we do during the machine learning model development. It runs over Docker containers. It gets more use where we can compare and analyze results and rerun previous experiments at later point of time. DATMO is an open source tool for tracking and reproducing machine learning experiments. In this video, we will set up our artificial intelligence and data science environment in just no time. So let's start with a step-by-step process. First, we'll search for Docker and we download it for Windows. I have a Windows machine, so I'll save this file. Then I'll go to the Docker file and double click it. It asks for configurations. I'll check both the options as yes. It will take some time during the installation. Okay, let's open and accept the certificate. So we have some issues with Microsoft .NET Framework and we just need to install WSL2, and that is a Linux kernel for Windows. So we will download and install it. It will just install, and now we restart our Docker container. It has failed earlier because we doesn't have this WSL. Now it is started successfully. Now we'll set up the basic and easy steps to set up our environment for Docker container. Here we will open command prompt and run the code that is provided at Docker. Now everything is completed. We can check here. It's working. This Docker is the prerequisite to install Datmo. Okay, now everything is set up. Let's install virtual networks. Here I'll check that my pip package manager is working fine. Now I will install virtual environment using pip install virtual env to create a virtual environment named airwork to install datmo in it. Here this um, let's go to AI work using AI work slash script slash activate, and here I'll install datmo. So I'll write pip install datmo and press enter, and it will install all the required packages and libraries by itself. So I'll upgrade the pip also. Now we'll create a datmo project. So I named the project as demo project, and now I'm writing the description for it. Let's say exciting things will happen here. And it will asking me, would you like to set up the environment? I'll press yes. I need to select which like CPU or GPU do I have. So I'll like give one here because I have CPU in my system. So I have the option to select from one of the environments. So I'll select three, that is Keras TensorFlow. which have all the libraries along with sklearn and OpenCV in it. So I press 3 and then I need to select which Python version I would like to work with. So here I'm selecting Python 3.5. Then we got this message of successful setup of an environment with name Keras TensorFlow CPU Python 35 and the ID is a number, and that's a alphanumeric code. So now we will open Datmo notebook. Okay, now this is the complete setup of artificial intelligence development environment using Datmo. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comment section.